Hi, so let's see how we can create a dashboard out of our report. So for creating a dashboard, there are couple of options up here. First of all, you can see in the top up here, a pin live page button is here. So when you click on this, a pop-up will jump, which will ask you to pin this particular page on an existing dashboard or a new dashboard. For my convenience, I'll use new dashboard. I will name this website analysis, just like my report name. You can give any name to this, and I'll click on pin live. So one thing to make sure here is that every time you make any changes in your report, the dashboard will be automatically changed as well. So if I make any changes in the numbers of this particular visual up here, if this particular visual is in dashboard also, then the changes will reflect in the dashboard as well. So now as we have published our report as we have pinned it in a live page, we can see it in our dashboard section as well. So let's see how this looks. So I'll go to my workspace and I've given it name as website analysis. I'll click on website analysis, and there you go. So this is my dashboard, just like my report. As you can see, there are no buttons up here, just like my report, because a dashboard is just kind of a screenshot or kind of a single page which will show you how my report looks like. So I can click on my drill down donut, or I can click on any of the bar up here to do cross filtering. Now as you have seen, I have clicked on pin live page. There's another option you can do to add to this dashboard. Let me jump back to my report to show you this. So what we have done here is we have pin live the whole page. But what if I just want to pin just one particular visual to my dashboard? So I have pinned my social media tab up here in my dashboard. What if I want to pin just one visual of my device tab into my dashboard? So suppose I want to pin this particular, or this particular. So in the top you can see this particular icon here which says pin visual. I'll click on it and it will ask me to existing or new dashboard. So I want it to pin on my existing dashboard, so I'll click on just pin. So it says pin to dashboard. I can go to dashboard up here, and now you can see this was my report earlier, and along with this I have my this particular visual set here. So just like this, you can add as many visuals from any other report of this same workspace. So one thing to note down here is you can add different visuals from any other report as well to one particular dashboard, but you cannot add pin live visual of any other report of any other workspace. So the workspace should be the same to create a dashboard. So this was of my same workspace, so I've created this particular dashboard. I can add any other visual from any other report of this workspace to this dashboard as well. So this is needs to be make sure that we can add only the visuals or pin live page of the same workspace reports only. All right, so this is how you can create a dashboard. So I can add as many of this in my visual. So this is how you can create a dashboard. So let's jump back to our dashboard again. You can see in the dashboard there are certain features in the top, like add tile, usage metrics. So we can add another tile up here which can like an image, a text box, a video, or a real-time data. So there are certain features available. As per our needs we can do that, or if we have rights we can also share our dashboard by clicking on this share this dashboard button, and a URL or a link will be provided to you. This is the dashboard link. Or you can just enter the email address of whom you want to share this dashboard with, and it will be shared to him along with the email sent to him of this particular dashboard link. So this is how you can share a dashboard. In the next lecture I'll show you how to edit this particular dashboard for a phone view. So if you want to see this dashboard in a phone, and you want to customize the looks, you can do that as well for the phone view. So just practice this, how to create a dashboard out of the report. And if you have any doubts, feel free to ask me, and we'll meet in the next lecture. Thank you.